Tonight, there is nothing you need to do. There are no expectations, no pressure, and nowhere else you need to be. This moment is yours, calm and quiet, and you can simply allow yourself to relax. Let your body soften gently. Let your shoulders release any tension they have been holding. Let your breathing slow down naturally, without effort. And as your breath becomes softer and deeper, your mind can begin to drift, slowly and peacefully. Tonight, we are going on a journey, not across cities or countries, but across something far greater, the universe, a place so vast and so quiet that it feels endless, a place with no edges, no boundaries, only infinite calm stretching in every direction. As you listen, you may begin to feel lighter, as if your thoughts are slowly floating away. Your body becomes heavier, sinking deeper into comfort, while your mind drifts gently through space. The universe is unimaginably large. It is so vast that even the fastest thing we know, light, takes time to travel across it. Light moves at incredible speed, around 300,000 kilometers every second. And yet, even at that speed, it can take millions, or even billions of years to move from one part of the universe to another. Our home is a galaxy called the Milky Way galaxy. Inside this galaxy, there are more than 100 billion stars. Each of those stars is like our sun, glowing quietly in the darkness. And yet, our galaxy is just one among billions of galaxies spread across the universe. Imagine that for a moment. Billions of galaxies, each containing billions of stars, all existing together in a vast and silent expanse. And everything moves slowly, gently, without rushing. Every star you see in the night sky is a distant sun. Some are small and gentle, while others are massive and powerful. But no matter their size, they all exist in complete silence. In space, there is no air, and without air, there is no sound. So even the most powerful events happen quietly, without noise. When you look up at the stars, you are actually looking into the past. The light from those stars has traveled for years, sometimes thousands or millions of years, before reaching your eyes. So what you see in the night sky is not the present moment, but a glimpse of history. The universe is like a memory, constantly showing us what once was. Every star, every galaxy, every point of light carries a story from long ago. Somewhere far away, there are black holes. These are regions in space where gravity is incredibly strong, so strong that nothing can escape from them, not even light. But despite their power, black holes are not loud or chaotic. They are calm and silent, slowly pulling in anything that comes too close. They exist quietly, hidden in the darkness, shaping the universe in ways we cannot always see. In space, there is no wind, no sound, no noise at all. Everything exists in a deep and peaceful silence. This silence is not empty. It is full of calm, full of stillness, and full of quiet energy. Time in the universe does not always move the same way. Near very large objects, like black holes, time slows down. Seconds stretch longer, and moments feel different. It is as if the universe itself is gently slowing everything down, allowing everything to move at its own pace. Our planet, Earth, is just a tiny part of this enormous universe. It orbits a single star, our Sun, which is only one among billions in the Milky Way. And our galaxy is only one among billions more. And yet, here we are, on this small, quiet planet, able to look up at the sky and wonder. There are countless galaxies drifting through space. Some are close together, while others are incredibly far apart. They move slowly, pulled by gravity, dancing gently through the universe over billions of years. Nothing in the universe is in a hurry. Everything unfolds slowly, naturally, and peacefully. Stars are born over millions of years. They shine for billions of years, and they fade away just as gently. This slow and steady rhythm is part of what makes the universe so calming. There is no rush, no pressure, only quiet movement and endless time. As you continue to listen, your breathing may become even slower. Your body feels heavier, more relaxed, and more at ease. Your thoughts begin to fade into the background, becoming softer and quieter. Imagine yourself floating in space. There is no weight, no tension, only a gentle drifting sensation. Around you, there are stars glowing softly, distant galaxies shimmering quietly, and a deep sense of calm surrounding everything. You are safe here. You are calm here. You are at peace. The universe continues to expand, slowly stretching outward in every direction. Galaxies move further apart over time, creating even more space, even more quiet, even more stillness. This expansion happens gently, without force, without urgency. It is simply the natural flow of the universe. There are clouds of gas and dust in space called nebulae. These are the places where stars are born. Over time, these clouds come together, slowly forming new stars that begin to glow softly in the darkness. Everything in the universe is part of a cycle. Stars are born, they shine, and they fade away, making space for new stars to form. This cycle continues endlessly, calmly and beautifully. Gravity is the force that holds everything together. It keeps planets in orbit, stars in galaxies, and galaxies in clusters. It works quietly, without being seen, gently guiding the movement of everything in the universe. Even though the universe is vast and complex, it is also incredibly peaceful. There is a natural order to everything, a quiet balance that allows everything to exist in harmony. As you drift deeper into relaxation, you may notice your thoughts slowing down even more. Your body feels warm and comfortable, your breathing steady and calm. There's nothing you need to think about now, nothing you need to solve, nothing you need to do. Just listen and drift. Imagine yourself moving slowly through a field of stars, each one glowing softly like tiny lights in the distance. The space around you is calm, silent, and endless. You continue to drift, gently and effortlessly, as if carried by the universe itself. Your body is fully relaxed now. Your mind is quiet. Your breathing is slow and steady. The universe continues on, calm and infinite, and you are simply floating within it, peaceful and at ease. And as you continue to drift, you may begin to feel sleep coming closer. Your thoughts fade further, your body sinks deeper, and your mind becomes still. There is nothing more to do now. Just drift, gently, quietly, into sleep. Imagine yourself moving slowly through a field of stars, each one glowing softly like a distant light. The space around you is calm, silent, and endless. You continue to drift, gently and effortlessly, as if carried by the universe itself. Your body is fully relaxed now. Your mind is quiet. Your breathing is slow and steady. Far away, entire galaxies rotate slowly, like soft spirals of light. Planets move gently around their stars, following quiet paths that have existed for billions of years. Everything feels steady, calm, and unchanging. Far away, entire galaxies rotate slowly, like soft spirals of light. Planets move gently around their stars, following quiet paths that have existed for billions of years. Everything feels steady, calm, and unchanging. As you continue drifting, your awareness becomes softer. Your thoughts fade further into the background, like distant stars becoming dimmer and dimmer. Your body sinks deeper into relaxation, supported and comfortable. Your breathing is slow, smooth, and effortless. There is nothing more to do now. Just drift gently through the quiet of the universe. Let your mind rest. Let your body relax completely. And as you continue to float in this calm and endless space, sleep begins to come closer, softly, gently, naturally. Your thoughts become still, your body becomes heavy, and you slowly drift into deep, peaceful sleep. Take a deep breath and slowly exhale. Tonight, we are going on a gentle journey through the vast and silent beauty of our galaxy, the Milky Way. Imagine yourself floating far above the Earth, beyond the clouds, past the moon, drifting peacefully into space. The Milky Way is the galaxy we call home, a massive collection of stars, dust, and gas, bound together by gravity. It contains over 100 billion stars. Some scientists even believe there could be as many as 400 billion stars. And among all those stars is our sun, just one tiny light in an endless ocean of glowing points. If you could see the Milky Way from above, it would look like a soft spiral, gently spinning like a cosmic whirlpool of light. This spiral shape has arms, long curved streams of stars stretching across space. We live in one of these arms, called the Orion Arm. And even within our arm, the distances are so vast that light itself takes years just to travel between stars. A single light year is the distance light travels in 1 year. That's about 9.46 trillion kilometers. Now imagine, the Milky Way is about 100,000 light years wide. It's so large that even light, the fastest thing in the universe, needs 100,000 years to cross it. Let that sink in and breathe slowly. At the very center of the Milky Way, there is something mysterious, a supermassive black hole. It is called Sagittarius A star. This black hole is incredibly dense and has a mass millions of times greater than our sun. But don't worry, it is very far away, about 26,000 light years from Earth. So far that it quietly exists at the heart of our galaxy without affecting our daily lives. As you continue to relax, imagine drifting closer toward the center. Stars become more crowded, more golden, more intense. But still, everything moves slowly, peacefully. In space, there is no sound, no noise, no rush, just silence. The Milky Way is also filled with nebulae. These are vast clouds of gas and dust. Some glow softly in shades of pink and blue. Others remain dark, like shadows in space. Inside these nebulae, new stars are born, slowly forming over millions of years. Gravity pulls gas together, bit by bit. until a star ignites, a gentle spark, becoming a shining sun. Every star you see was once born this way, including our own sun. And perhaps, somewhere in the Milky Way, there are planets like Earth, quiet worlds, orbiting distant stars, maybe with oceans, mountains, or even life. Scientists estimate there could be billions of planets in our galaxy alone. Billions. As you breathe slowly, imagine drifting past one of these stars, warm, glowing, peaceful. You don't need to go anywhere. Just float. The Milky Way is also moving. It slowly rotates, taking about 225 million years for one full turn. This means, since the time of dinosaurs, our solar system has not even completed one full orbit. Time in space moves differently, slow, calm, endless. Now, let your thoughts slow down. Imagine the stars dimming slightly, the galaxy becoming softer, like a blanket of light wrapping around you. You are safe. You are calm. You are drifting. And as you continue to float deeper into the quiet universe, your body relaxes, your breathing slows, and your mind begins to rest. Take another deep breath and gently exhale. We continue our peaceful journey through the Milky Way, far away from noise, far away from stress, just drifting among the stars. Our solar system is located about halfway between the center of the galaxy and its outer edge, a quiet, stable place, perfect for life. If we were closer to the center, radiation would be intense. If we were farther out, there might not be enough heavy elements. But here, everything is balanced, just right. This is sometimes called the galactic habitable zone, a calm region where life can exist. As you float, imagine looking back at Earth, a tiny blue dot, soft and glowing, all of human history, every person, every moment contained on that small sphere. Now slowly, let it fade into the distance and return your focus to the stars. Some stars in the Milky Way are much larger than our sun, called giants and supergiants. Others are smaller, cooler, and dimmer. Some stars live for billions of years, while others burn quickly and explode. These explosions are called supernovae. They are powerful, but also beautiful. When a star explodes, it spreads elements into space. These elements later form new stars, planets, and even life. In a way, we are made of stardust. Every atom in your body was once part of a star. Take a moment to feel that connection. You are part of the universe, and the universe is part of you. The Milky Way is not alone. It is part of a group of galaxies called the Local Group. One of its neighbors is the Andromeda Galaxy, a massive spiral galaxy, even larger than ours, and slowly, very slowly, Andromeda is moving toward us. But don't worry, this will happen in about 4 billion years. When they meet, they will merge, creating a new galaxy. But even then, stars are so far apart that collisions are rare. Everything will still feel calm and quiet. As always, back in the Milky Way, there are star clusters, groups of stars, born together. Some clusters are open, loose and scattered. Others are globular, tightly packed, like glowing spheres. They orbit the galaxy like silent companions. As you imagine them, let your mind drift, slowly, gently. The Milky Way also has dark matter, an invisible substance we cannot see, but we know it exists because of its gravity. It holds the galaxy together like an unseen foundation. Without it, the galaxy would not stay intact. Even the unknown plays a role in balance, just like your thoughts. They come and go, but you remain calm, steady, at peace. Now, imagine the galaxy slowly fading, stars becoming softer, more distant, like tiny lights in a dream. Your body feels heavier, your eyes relaxed, your breathing slow and steady. You are floating in a quiet universe with no worries, no rush, just calm, just peace. And as the Milky Way gently spins far away, you begin to drift deeper and deeper into sleep. Tonight, as you slowly begin to relax, we're going to explore what happens inside your brain while you sleep. There's nothing you need to do right now. No effort, no thinking. Just listen gently and let your mind drift. As your body settles and your breathing becomes slower, your brain begins to change. It doesn't switch off. It transforms. The busy thoughts from your day, the noise, the stress, they begin to fade quietly and slowly. Deep inside your brain, a soft rhythm begins to form. Your brain waves, once fast and active, now start to slow down, like gentle waves rolling across a calm ocean. And as this happens, your body begins to follow. Your muscles loosen, your heartbeat softens, your breathing becomes deeper and slower. Everything is becoming calm. Now imagine this: your brain like a quiet room at night. Lights dimmed, soft shadows all around, and in this peaceful space, something incredible begins. A natural cleaning process. Throughout the day, your brain collects tiny bits of waste from thinking, moving, living. But at night, while you rest, your brain gently cleans itself like soft water, flowing through every part, washing away everything you don't need. You don't feel it. You don't notice it. But it's happening right now, quietly, perfectly. And as your brain continues this process, your thoughts begin to drift. They become lighter, slower, softer. Maybe you notice your eyelids feeling heavy, your body sinking deeper into comfort. That's okay. You don't need to resist it. Just let go. Now, your brain enters a deeper stage of sleep, a place where everything becomes even quieter. Your awareness fades, your body rests more deeply, and your brain begins to organize your memories. Every moment from your day is gently sorted. Important things are kept. Unimportant ones fade away. It's like your mind is carefully arranging everything into its proper place. So, you can wake up tomorrow clear and refreshed. And now, you may begin to dream. Soft images, floating thoughts, gentle scenes. They come and go without effort. There's no need to understand them, no need to follow them. Just let them pass, like clouds in a quiet sky. Your breathing is steady now, slow and calm. Inhale, exhale, inhale, exhale. Each breath taking you deeper and deeper. Your body feels heavier, more relaxed, as if you're gently sinking into a soft, warm space, safe, comfortable, at peace. And as you continue to listen, your mind becomes quieter. The space between your thoughts grows wider until eventually there are no thoughts at all. Just calm, just stillness, just rest. Now, imagine yourself floating gently, weightless, peaceful, surrounded by darkness, but not empty darkness, a calm, soft, comforting darkness. Above you, tiny stars begin to appear, slowly, one by one, each star glowing softly, not bright, not harsh, just enough to feel calm. You drift slowly through this quiet space. No direction, no destination, just floating. And with every moment, you feel lighter, more relaxed, more at ease. Your body is completely still now. Your mind completely calm. There's nothing left to think about, nothing left to do. Just rest. And as your brain continues its gentle work, cleaning, organizing, restoring, you move deeper into sleep, a natural, peaceful, deep sleep, where your body heals, your mind resets, and everything becomes balanced again. So now, just let go completely. Let your breathing guide you. Slow, steady, soft. There is no rush, no pressure, only calm, only rest. Your thoughts disappear, and all that remains is sleep, deep, peaceful, restful sleep. Good night.